Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department, along with our business partners throughout Fairfax County and employee groups, we're coming together today to give out 2,300 to 2,400 brand new coats to over 70 school shelters and nonprofits throughout Fairfax County. We're getting the coats out to the kids that need them, but another good thing about this year, our first time, is that these coats are made in America. This is a first. There's no other organization in the country that's doing Made in America coats. We call it a win-win-win. First of all, we're getting the coats out to the kids who need the coats, okay? Kids that are on free or reduced lunch. Obviously, without a coat, they're not going to school, they're not getting 2 nutritional meals. So that's one of the reasons we started just getting the kids on. But the other thing is they're made in the USA. We're helping to bring jobs back to the USA. And the 2 companies that that made these coats, they were going to lay off some workers because they were downsizing, because they made uniforms for the military. Obviously, the military is downsizing, so they're not making as many uniforms. Operation Warm, who we get our coats from, they gave the contract to those companies. So we saved about 150 to 200 jobs with this program that started here in Fairfax County. Fairfax County, our business supporters and everybody should be proud of that. Something we started here is going nationwide.